So up until now, we have seen how we can add and change data in Business Central. What we are going to do now is try and use Excel to change data inside of Business Central. So for instance, if you go to customers and you end up in the customer list, then you might say like, well, if those were a lot of customers here, then, and you need to change, for instance, the payment terms, then it's very difficult to do that one by one. And therefore, you can use the Edit in Excel feature, which you can find under Page and then Edit in Excel. When you click on it, Excel will open. You need to confirm that you want to edit information. Then the Dynamics Office 365 add-in for Office will start. And the first time you just need to make sure that you're logged on with the right user ID, but everything goes smoothly by itself. So what we can do now is change data. For instance, let me look for payment terms. Here you see the payment terms code. So let's say we are going to put everybody on 14 days, or 14 days, sorry, let's copy that, I'm doing it wrong now. Like this, 14 days, and now you see here, publish all data source changes. So we're going to publish the changes to Business Central. So let's click on that, and then we wait. And let's verify now in Business Central. So let's open up Tray Research. And let's have a look at the payment. You see here 14 days. If we do Alpine Ski House, what can we see? If we go to payments, again 14 days. Let's take one more. Let's take this one here and let's have a look. Payment information 14 days. So you see, by going to Excel and then changing the payment terms, clicking on publish, we have added information in Excel and published it back to Business Central. So this is how easy you can change in bulk your data by using Edit in Excel.